to the shower, do my hair and makeup, and then I'll be right back.
So ek dink daai ding maak dit soos half vol. Want jy kan nie vir my sê ek en jy stort 120 liter net so my.
Ek kan nie dit vir my sê nie.
Jy kan dit.
Good morning, guys. It is past 5 o'clock and Candy's man is dropping me at the airport. And nice look. I'm going to Cape Town today for an Elizabeth Arden event, which I'm really excited about. And I thought I would take you guys with me. Yeah, it was pretty tough getting up this morning because obviously I have to be at the airport so early, but it's gonna be worth it. So like sloppy snore.
Whatever. Swap beter as jy. Nou jy enjoy it, right?
Shuttle and then we're heading to the venue. It's a gorgeous venue and I cannot wait. Stopped well close to home. We just at the garage quickly. I thought I'd show you guys what we got in our kits when I get home, because the lighting in here is horrible. This is so heavy to carry, and actually they said that they will courier it to us, but I was like, no, I want to take it with me now. So let's get back home and then I can show you guys exactly what is in here.
And hey everybody, it's Candy's man. Like a candy, wiki wangy, it's Candy's man.
Het is zoveel energie, die tijd hurry on. So the gift was so lovely. They actually gave us all 3 of the white tea fragrance collection. These are so soft and just beautiful fragrances. I think it's really going to be a favorite. And then they actually had a pinata where some girls smashed it and all these samples fell, and they were telling us to just like grab whatever we want, so we went a little bit crazy. We got a full size of the vitamin C ceramide capsules, which is new, as well as the new brow product, and then also like a little travel bag with cute little minis, which I absolutely love for when I travel. So thank you so much, Elizabeth Arden, for the amazing experience. It was so lovely and I can't wait to try all these products.
I've been going through changes.
So I'm at Evolve Day Spa today. I'm getting some much needed treatments, a facial, body wrap, body massage. I'm really looking forward to it.
I am strong again. I've got hope again.
So what are you doing now?
Now we're doing a scrub.
And then?
Then we're gonna put a mask.
Okay. It feels
So
nice.
Yeah, the scrub is gonna open up your pores.
Okay.
To relax your muscles.
Yeah, I need that.
And then after we're just gonna do an Indian head to calm down your.
Lovely. So my body scrub's done and she put a really nice mask on, and while I was lying here she just gave me the most amazing head massage. I'm gonna take a shower now to wash this all off, and then I'm gonna enjoy a lovely full body massage.
Here with your face. So this is before.
Oh yes, this is before.
And then we'll do the after the peel.
Do you just want to explain to them what the green peel is all about?
Okay, the green peel is the herbs that are mixed together. So it helps with the hydration, the premature aging, and it also rejuvenates the skin. You also get the aftercare that you can use at home, but with the green peel, what's nice about it is because you can peel.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what's nice about it.
Because I was just telling her that I can't do the full-on chemical peel because I need to film videos, and if you do that you can't like put anything
Exactly.
on for like
So there's no makeup
5
after.
days and yeah.
So with this one, that's nice, which you can wear your makeup after.
Yes, but it gives your face like for a day or two, it feels like tingly.
Yes.
Almost like vitamin C feels
Yeah,
when you like
yeah.
put it on, it like it's nice.
And this is the cow.
The hydration. Yay, hydration. Wow, that was so amazing. I really enjoyed it. And the service here is always so nice. Everyone's so friendly. So I highly recommend it if you want a special spa day. But I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and until next time, as always, stay sweet.